Meaning of gifted.
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 Gifted. The word gifted refers to someone who has exceptional abilities or talents. A gifted individual possesses intellectual, creative, or artistic abilities that are notably above average. This term is often used to describe children who demonstrate exceptional abilities in academic subjects, music, or the arts. Gifted individuals often require unique educational opportunities to reach their full potential, and they may experience challenges such as difficulty relating to peers or feeling isolated due to their differences. Overall, being gifted means possessing abilities that go beyond the norm and having the potential for extraordinary achievement.